In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add score to quiz in Jotform. By the end, you'll have a quiz that automatically calculates a total score as people answer your questions, so you can grade instantly without any spreadsheets. First, open your form in the form builder. If you haven't created one yet, start a new form and give it a clear title. Add your quiz questions using single choice for one correct answer, or multiple choice if more than one answer can be correct. Enter the answer options for each question, keeping the wording consistent and unambiguous. If you plan to allow multiple correct selections, make that clear in the question text so respondents know what to expect. Next, we'll add the scoring engine. Go to the Form Elements panel and open the Widgets tab. Search for Form Calculation, then drag and drop the Form Calculation widget into your form. This widget will be your score field. You can place it near the end of the form so it's easy to see during testing. Now let's assign points. Click the Form Calculation widget to open its calculation panel. One by one, select a quiz question to include in the calculation. For each question you add, assign numbers to its answers so the widget knows how to score them. Set the correct answer to 1 and all incorrect answers to 0. If a question has multiple correct answers, give each correct option a value of 1. Repeat this for every quiz question in your form. As you build, you'll see that the form calculation widget is set up to add these values together automatically. That means each correct selection contributes 1 point to the total. This approach keeps scoring simple and transparent. Correct equals 1, incorrect equals 0, and the widget handles the math. Use the preview to test a few combinations and confirm the total updates as expected. Finally, rename the score field so it's clear. Click the Form Calculation widget and change its label to Total Score. If you want to keep the score hidden until the end, you can leave it at the bottom of the form or set it to read only so respondents can't change it. That's it. You've added your quiz questions, dropped in the Form Calculation widget, assigned points to each answer, and labeled the score. Save, preview, and you're ready to share a quiz that grades itself.